Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. I'm here today to plan for this particular week in May using my vertical planner. And I'm just using a $2 Tuesday kit by Krissyanne Designs. This was a one of the kits that I got when she had like 10 of them on sale at one time. So yeah, I'm just putting the date dots down and gonna place them where the dates go. And yes, I'm still using my vertical planner. I'm using October for May and June or November for June. Before I go ahead and get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. That way you are what? Notified each and every time I upload another video. Thank you all for joining me today. I greatly appreciate it. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, and I want to welcome you guys. I'm going to do an intro video here soon. Just waiting on the end of the school year, you guys. We have a few more days to go, and it is dragging. It is dragging. So what you see me doing here is I'm just placing down the bottom washi and I cut it and trying to cover up the calendar, and then I'm just going to white out the rest. But this week is not such a busy week, you guys. So I was just, I was really just like, okay, what do we have going on? Nothing. So I'm just laying down the weekend banner. Um, yeah, just doing a lot. Monday was Nehemiah's last day of school. My baby is now officially an eighth grader. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm kind of in my feelings. Yeah, I mean, he's my firstborn son. And if you are a mom of a son, you know it's something about those boys. Don't get me wrong, we love our girls, but it's something about those boys. And Monday was his last day of school. He had one final to take. He got exempt from all of his finals except for math. So we were really extremely proud of him, especially with this year with being virtual in school. It was a headache, but we made it through. And I just put down a payday sticker from the kids along with a quarter box. I'm not sure what that is. I did my sidebar, the colorful Monday through Friday will be my grateful moments. I put down the good morning sunshine on Monday. I put a checklist out on Saturday because there are some things I want to get done on Saturday. So, yeah, and I'm just putting those asterisks down just for some to-dos on Monday and Tuesday. Like I said, we don't have a lot going on this week. I'm still in school, so yeah. So that's the look so far, and here I am back, as you can see, with some sticky notes with some things I need to do, and I'm just writing down that Monday is MJ's last day of school. He had one final to take. So yeah, again, I'm extremely proud of my baby. We made it. We made it. And then these are just some to-dos that I need to do on Monday, which is still have not called my cardiologist, you guys. I'm afraid to call. I am literally afraid to call him or call his office and they're like, you were supposed to be here in December. And yeah, you were supposed to see this plan with me on Monday. Oops. You guys, when I tell you it's been busy, it's been busy. And just writing some to-dos down on Tuesday, which I think that is Olivia is off and film my EC haul, which did come on Monday. I have not filmed it yet. And I was supposed to schedule a FedEx pickup, which I did. They are coming on Thursday. Yes. FedEx is coming on Thursday, finally, to pick up a return that I have. Yeah, trying to go through the website is crap. My advice, call 1-800 FedEx. If you need to schedule a pickup, just call 1-800 FedEx. Don't deal with the website. Okay. And I'm just putting down that Monday and Thursday are trash days. Yes, I love trash days because I get to get rid of crap. And then I'm putting that little chibi girl down from Simply Sweetly Craftly. I'll put the name in the description box below. I used to PR for her shop, but I kind of had to take a step back from PR because I just got so busy. I wasn't doing the company justice. So I stepped back. And I'm just writing down some things that need to be done on Saturday, like the garage, mowing the lawn, clean out my car because my car is a hot freaking mess. Yes. I got to renew my tab on Friday. And I just put that tidy up sticker from the kit. So yeah, just, doing some random things. Have you guys ordered your new planners yet? I'm still trying to find planner satisfaction, you guys. So I have two more planners coming in addition to the one that I just got in on Monday. And I'm going to do a video on my planner stack for the next 6 months. And yeah, but if you want to see how I'm going to use that, how I'm going to use all of my planners, leave me a comment below and say, hey, I want to know. Okay. Um, just again, looking through my book, I put all of my stickers, my most used stickers, in this Once More with Love reusable sticker book because I'm tired of flipping through um, binders every time I plan. And this just makes it a lot easier. It gives me you know, gives my desk space where I don't have a big mess after I'm done after I'm done planning or filming or I'm working at my desk. And then I'm just putting those arrows on Sunday for my Sunday to-do list, which is iron, lesson plan, and update my grades, which I usually lesson plan on Fridays, but I always put it down on Sunday just in case I don't get a chance to. Okay. And then I'm pointing to that box. Don't ask me why, I don't remember. And then I'm just adding some more to-dos on Saturday as I remember them. And then family, we always have family time, whether it's watching a movie, playing a game, just sitting around the table eating. And then I'm just putting down my grateful moment, or that colorful box, like I said, is for my grateful moments. And then that habit tracker is for working out. So I'm loving that weekend sticker, you guys. I think this is like the Roy B. Give colorway, somewhat similar. And then I'm just putting a reminder to call my mommy tonight. I gotta call mommy. I miss my mom, you guys. She lives 2 hours away, but I miss her. So, you guys, that is it for the video. I'm just, doing some updated things. I want to thank each and every one for all of your positive feedback on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys for your constant love and support. I really, really appreciate it, you guys. You guys have no idea how much I am so grateful for each and every one of you. All of the products I use will be listed in the comment box or in the description box below. Some are affiliate links, especially the ones from erincondren. If you haven't ordered your planner, go order it. Use my link. Um, but yeah, you guys, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Um, I can't express it enough, you guys. I cannot express it enough. So, yeah, in the meantime, in between time, you guys be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.